There we go.
To get going on this. So, and now we're gonna start the soldering process. We're putting it together, as it were, which is, you know, kind of straightforward pedestrian work. There. And you do that. And you try not to burn your fingers. Unless these things get hot. Oops. And solder up the other side. A little bit of melting metal going on. It's always fun and exciting. And then you do a little bit of decorative soldering. Now I just turned this iron on, so it isn't quite hot enough, but it's close. And what you do is you sort of smooth it all out. That liquid stuff there is called flux. It has a couple of jobs. It spreads the heat out evenly and keeps the work area clean so that the solder adheres properly. And you put this in here to anchor the piece, the stone. So that it doesn't wiggle around when you're done. And you can do things like this. You can put on little decorative things. Give it a look. And you just keep going like this and putting on the stones that you want to have on where you want to have them until it's all done. Yeah. And you do the other side. Actually, we'll use this side as the front, really, in the end, because it has better confirmation and it looks better. So that's what happens, and then, you know, then you get that part done, and you solder on this part, and you do a bunch of work with this to get that solder on there, put these ones on, and it's pretty much a done deal.
A done deal.
So there you go.